Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Alo. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you join me here again on another tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about number formatting in Power BI, and I'm going to teach you how to get your numbers from looking this way clustered and having it summarized in thousands, millions, or billions. Now let's get right into the video. You see, to format numbers in Power BI, there are several methods you can actually use. You can use the dynamic formatting that was launched in April 2023. So you have to create like a new measure, and you use a formula that looks like this. Then you put in the measure you're trying to format dynamically, and then you use this method. But this is not the method we are looking at today. Today we are going to be looking at a setting. So you go to files, um, options and settings, options to review features, and then you turn on object interaction and say okay. You have enabled one or more features and it requires you to restart this application. So we are going to restart this application. Restart the application again and go back to the file we're working on. Now that our file is loaded, I'm going to show you how you can easily format your numbers in Power BI. So you select the matrix and you come here and turn this formatting option on, and you go down and look for something that is called specific column. It allows you to format a specific column. So the first column we would like to format is the sum of budget, which is the first value, and then you go down and it will ask you in what unit do you want to display. When you turn this on, you will see options whether you want to display in thousands, millions, billions, trillions. So we are going to choose thousands, and then we'll do the same for all other whole numbers there. Do I'll also have that in thousands the previous year, and I'll have that in thousands as well. Now you see how my values look. I have so much space on my figures. So the thing about Power BI and building dashboards is that you would need so much space in order to be able to display all the information that will be relevant for decision making. So having your numbers looking as little as possible is very, very important. Very, very, very important. And it will save you a lot of time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been very helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and share this to whoever you know will be in need of this. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, or if you have a video you'd like me to create, do let me know. I'll do that for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.